Hello beautiful crypto gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing Sunday, Easter. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. We're not getting much movement, but we're going to see what there's a symmetrical wedge building. Symmetrical wedges end up breaking to one side, and we're going to see where. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. You all the most requested altcoin in the comment section in the last video was Luna, so we're going to look at Luna as well. If you have any requests for any coins, let me know in the comment section. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the tech. The market is kind of flat at the moment, very little volume during this. FTT though having a pump. This is the exchange, FTX exchange. Shiba having a small pump, but the most of the market is a bit stable. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, then go into the Luna. So Bitcoin has just been coming down on the 4-hourly, nothing major, but it is building this symmetrical triangle, this formation here. I teach you technical analysis in the crypto course. You can learn it with 6,000 students in the description. So this is the symmetrical triangle that's building, and it seems to be breaking out. It's going to target the breakout most likely to the upside, but not much volume. Look at this. The last few days, very little volume. Now, it's also because the Easter weekend. Volume is how much buying and selling there is. But always remember this. Volume predicts price, and without any volume, it's not amazing. It means that most likely, but the wicks keep trying to go to the upside. They keep wicking up to the upside, then getting pushed down. So that means most likely to the upside, but it can go either way on a symmetrical triangle. Usually it continues the trend. So if it continues the trend, it means we'll be going towards the downside, right? Because since November, we've been trending down. So not the best situation at the moment for Bitcoin, especially with very little volume. If it breaks to the downside, the movement will be coming down to this. We'll get a bounce on this trend line, but the movement could be coming down towards here. 37,500 is a big support that I expect for Bitcoin. But this trend line has been holding many times. As I teach a technical analysis, until the trend line breaks, it's holding. So we keep believing that the trend line holds until it breaks. So most likely up to the upside, the target would be 42,500 because of the trend line. If it breaks to the downside, I do expect that we get a bounce off this trend line again, 39,400. So not much downward movement. MACD is heading up with squeeze mob going to the upside. That's bullish on the 4-hourly. Stochastic is heading up. RSI is heading up. So every indicator right now is showing that we're going to go to the upside. So most likely the target will be that $42,000 area, which is beautiful. You could do a trade here. I'm going to go long because if it goes down, most likely it's going to bounce off this support, this trend line. So I could open a long here, the stop loss just below this trend line, and the take profit up here at the $42,500 mark. 1.28 ratio trade. Not amazing risk to reward ratio, but not that bad. We could bring up the trend line there. So I could go long 1.46, risking $1,400 to make $2,000. It's not an amazing trade. I really want the ratio to be 2-to-1. So I won't actually take this trade until we get a confirmation of a direction from Bitcoin. On the hourly, it's looking also like we're going to have this symmetrical timing soon. RSI heading up, stochastic heading up. So everything showing to the upside again. Let's see if it plays out. The target would be the 42,000. I won't open a long here until it makes its decision. On the 4-hourly as well, let's check out on the 4-hourly. The most support is at the 39,000 on the VPVR. We're pushing against the EMA ribbons. They're trying to turn here. It's trying to bottom out. Crypto Guru Bot still showing a sell. You get the Crypto Guru Bot in the master course. The links are in the description and pinned comment. You can see here it fired a buy, we went up. It fired a sell, we dropped. It hasn't fired a buy yet on the Crypto Guru Bot, the alert bot. The Bitcoin indicator bot is still also not firing a buy yet. So the bots that you get in the course are still showing not yet a buy on Bitcoin. If you want to trade, you're going to see my trading accounts here underneath in the comment section, in the description and pinned comment. You can trade and you get $8,200 US dollars worth of signups if you trade on Bybit and Femex. On Bybit, if you use this link, you get a USD bonus of $4,600 US dollars, and on Femex $4,100 US dollars. And NordVPN, if you have any country restrictions, you can use NordVPN. So I use Bybit the most. It's my favorite exchange. It's never got hacked. It has low fees. It's my favorite exchange. And on Bybit, I've got in here $199,914, all US dollars. $199,912 US dollars. It's all in US dollars. I'm not having any trades open, and I don't have any Bitcoin or alts at the moment until Bitcoin makes its decision. Then I'm going to make some trades. You can also trade Luna on Bybit. Let's check out Luna as well. Luna USD, it's at $80. On the 4 hourly, Luna's got strong support here. MACD heading up. Let's check out on the daily. On the daily, it's on a major support line. MACD's heading down. It's on a major support line. It's on an upward channel, actually, in Luna. Let's clear the drawings and see what this channel is telling us. So Luna right now is on an upward channel. You can see we've got a kind of upper line of the channel here, and we've got another one here. So it's an up channel, and most likely MACD is heading down, RSI is heading down, stochastic is bottomed out. Interesting. The MACD is still on the red side. It could be holding here. This is a support line. If it doesn't hold, the target would be at $78. Then the target would be down here on this trend line, which will be so we're either getting it to hold here at $80, or it comes down to this trend line at $63, and that's a nice place to be buying Luna if it comes down there. What I think it's going to do most likely is play out in this trend line. Come here, 64, and bounce. So that will be the buying area at $64 here. Wait, let's draw it in. So Luna, in my opinion, is a buy at $64, and that's a really big discount because at some point it hit $116, so it was really a big drop. It'll be almost 100% drop, 50% drop if it drops down to there. So 60 here. So I'm going to put some buy orders for Luna at $64. So I'm going to go to, let's see if it's a spot on Bybit or if it's and that's why I use Femex Bybit as well, because then you can get all, yeah, there is a spot position. So I'm going to put limit orders for $64 for Luna. It might not hit there, but let's see how much. Let's do a $20,000 order on Luna at $64. I'll buy 312 Luna at $64, which is a bit of a discount from here where we are right now. Let's see. I've got two orders now. Bitcoin, I've got one Bitcoin buy at 39,300, and I've got $64 buy at 312 Luna. That's my orders. Again, if you want to trade on Bybit, underneath the video, in the description and pin comment, Bitcoin and altcoin trading, $8,200 sign up. When you sign up to Bybit and Femex, you get those bonuses when you deposit Bitcoin. So that's what I think is happening in the markets, everyone. I hope you have an amazing Easter. The volume is low on the Easter, but what's good news is even with this volume that's low, we're still holding the supports on most altcoins and Bitcoin. That's an important thing. Usually when volume is low, we have big drops, but on this Easter, it's holding, which is a good sign. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.